In the previous videos, I explained about what is the filters and how to create the controllers. Every time we are at the creation of controllers, we are using that angular.module. This one is common for all the programs. What is the use of this one? This is called as a module. AngularJS module. AngularJS module defines an application. The module is a container for the different parts of an application. The module is a container for the application controllers. Controllers always belongs to a module, to creating a module. Sorry. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this one? If you want to use the AngularJS application in your HTML page, at the time you are initializing that you are creating that ng-app equals to my app. What is the meaning of this one? In this div elements we are using the AngularJS code. Okay, and that my app name is my app. Otherwise use the my MYA. Okay, here in this div element my application name is MYA. Now in this program I want the controller also. So if you want the controller, at that time you must start the module. Okay, using the angular.module function, we are starting the module. The syntax for the starting the module is angular.module. We are passing the two parameters here. One is our application name MYA, comma, opening and closing square brackets. After that we are writing our controller code. Okay. Now in this program I want the controller and I want to print my first name and the last name in my HTML page. So using the .controller function we are creating the controller, and with .controller function we have the two parameters. So my controller, this first parameter is our controller name. Okay, in this div tag our controller name is my CTRL, comma, second parameter is calling the function with the scope parameter. Okay, now in this function $scope.first name is Venkat, $scope.last name is Vikings. So now what is the final output of our page? Vikings, Venkat, Vikings. So this is the use of module. So if you want to use the controllers, filters and directives, if you want to create any new directives, at the time you must start with the module only. So if you are for starting the module, the syntax, the function for the module is angular.module. After that, two parameters. First one is our app name, comma, opening and closing brackets. So square brackets. Now I want one variable my mod equals to, I am putting this code in one variable. Okay, so every statement must be ended with the semicolon. Instead of writing this code here, I am simply using the my mod. Now observe the output of this program. So Venkata begins. Like this way we are creating the modules in our HTML, in our AngularJS document. Thanks for listening.